I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures. Thanks for joining my impacted toenail tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the impacted material in the sidewall that's causing discomfort and explain the difference between an impacted toenail and an ingrown toenail. You can see the discoloration on the top right side of the toenail. This discoloration is an indication there is something stuck underneath the toenail and in the nail wall. I have soaked his feet and trimmed his nails, and I'm lifting the corner of the nail so you can see the corner of his nail is shaped like a backwards letter L. People who get ingrown toenails have an even more exaggerated edge on the nail, resembling more of a backwards letter C. There is a video clip coming up with the other big toe. This is older footage, but you can see I have cleared out the debris and the nail wall is clear and pain-free. This is the left toenail where you can see the discoloration and the softened excess skin and buildup in the nail wall that needs to be removed. You can see a thin layer of excess skin that the body has created to protect the nail groove from the pressure of the nail plate. This layer does need to be removed. When the layer after layer is produced by the body, it's a snowball effect and it causes a tight, uncomfortable feeling in the toe. Make sure to watch the angle at which you hold the tool and be gentle. You don't want to cause more discomfort. This footage is before we developed the ingrown toenail rasp, which has the serrated edge, which helps to grab onto the material much easier. You can use the fingernail file to file calloused areas off of the tip of the toe, as well as smooth the free edge of the toenail after trimming it. Make sure to dispose of any single-use files after use. You can get a stainless steel toenail file in the Pedicure kit that you can sanitize after each use. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.